In our previous session, we learned how to clone the source code from GitHub to the Jenkins server. Right now, we have cloned the source code. Now we will learn like how to build the source code using the Maven tool. Okay. This is my Jenkins server. First, we need to install the Maven. So for that one, we need to go for Manage Jenkins. Click on Manage Jenkins. Then go to Tools. Configure the tools. So we want to configure the tool like Maven tool. So here Maven installation section, we have to click on Add Maven. Okay, scroll down. So what is the Maven version? Here showing latest Maven version 3.9.9, right? Just give the Maven 3.9.9 here. Click on apply and save. Okay. Once the Maven is installed, tool is installed, we need to go to our job. Our job is clone code is there, right? Already we done in the last session. Same we will use it for this. Now click on configure. In the previous session, we have given the GitHub repository to clone the source code. Okay, we are cloning it from the main branch, right? Now we need to build the source code. Now we need to click on build step here. You need to click on the add build step. Now you need to click on invoke top level Maven targets. Now you click on this Maven version. Maven we install is Maven 3.9.9. Click on this one. And what are the goals we require? Clean package. So Maven will build the project with the clean and package goals, so that artifact will be created. Artifact in the sense war file will be created. Okay. Let me click on apply and save. Now click on the build now to run our clone code job. Now our build is running. Let's see. Our build is successful. You can see the success here. Let me scroll down. You can see Maven goals are executing. That means it's downloading all the dependencies from the central repository, right? Once the dependencies are downloaded from the central repository, it will create the war file. This is also called as artifact, also called as package. So this package will be deployed in the Tomcat servers like that. So finally our build is successful. We will learn how to integrate SonarQube with Jenkins in our next session. Thank you.